Reimport a module while interactive. How do I reimport a module? I want to reimport a module after making changes to its .py file.
For Python 3.4+. For Python is lower than 3.4. From the Python docs. Reload a previously imported module. The argument must be a module object, so it must have been successfully imported before. This is useful if you have edited the module source file using an external editor and want to try out the new version without leaving the Python interpreter. Don't forget the caveats of using this method. When a module is reloaded, its dictionary, containing the module's global variables, is retained. Redefinitions of names will override the old definitions, so this is generally not a problem, but if the new version of a module does not define a name that was defined by the old version, the old definition is not removed. If a module imports objects from another module using from ... import ... calling reload for the other module does not redefine the objects imported from it. One way around this is to re-execute the from statement. Another is to use import in qualified names, module.name, instead. If a module instantiates instances of a class, reloading the module that defines the class does not affect the method definitions of the instances. They continue to use the old class definition. The same is true for derived classes.
In Python 3, reload is no longer a built-in function. If you are using Python 3.4+, you should use reload from the importlib library instead. If you are using Python 3.2 or 3.3, you should instead see this URL. If you are using IPython, definitely consider using the auto-reload extension.
Actually, in Python 3 the module imp is marked as deprecated. Well, at least that's true for 3.4. Instead, the reload function from the importlib module should be used. This URL. But be aware that this library had some API changes with the last two minor versions.
If you want to import a specific function or class from a module, you can do this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.